In this video, I am going to show you how to create a new Ning social networking website like this one. And here is another Ning site. Before I get started, I assume you know what a Ning website is and why you want to create one. I'm only going to show you how to sign up and get a Ning website for yourself. You will see that setting up a Ning website is very easy and only takes about 5 minutes to have your own new website. Most of your time in building up your website will be spent adding content to your site. That is, adding your pictures, videos, and written articles. The first step is signing up for an account at Ning.com. Signing up and getting a website is free. Before we go to Ning.com and sign up, we should have a few things ready. Number 1, we are going to need a name for the new website. For this demonstration, I will create a new social website called Thai Cycling. Number 2, what we want the web address to be. Like this one, ugfonation.ning.com. Ugfo, UGFO, Nation, is the name of this group. The other thing we're going to need is a tagline or a motto or slogan for your site. You don't have to do this right now, but you can decide on a slogan later if you like. You'll also need a description for your site. Your description must be less than 140 letters, and this can also be done later. And lastly, you will need to have, or at least know, some important keywords that describe your site. This can also be done later. Now I have all the information I want to use for my demonstration website here in a document. You can see I have my website name, I have the website address, I have the tagline, I have a description, and I have some keywords. Now, you don't need to do this the same way I did if you don't want to. I find it helpful. Just make sure your web address is correct, because this is the one thing you cannot change later. If you need to change your web address later, you will have to delete your Ning site and create a new one. So it helps to have this information organized before you sign up. So if you have some of this information, at least the name and your web address, you're ready to go and sign up for a Ning account. Let's head over to Ning.com right now. So first I'm going to enter the Ning network name for my site. I'm just going to copy from my document. And I need my network address, which is Thai Cycling. As you can see, it's going to be thaicycling.ning.com. Now I can click Create. Here I need to enter my name, my email address, a password. They asked for my birthday, so I'll give them a fake one. And I need to enter the verification code. Now I can click Sign Up. Now I need to verify my email address. So let's go to my inbox and find the email. And here it is right here. I will click the link. Okay. Now I'm ready to fill in the rest of my website information. So the network name is already filled in for me. You want to leave this on public so that anybody who visits your site can join. Now I need to enter my tagline. So let me go to my document and copy it. My description, my keywords. My website is going to be an English website, so I'll leave this. Now the country I will change. I will change it to Thailand. And it asks for a city and state. I will just put Bangkok. Now I can click Next. Now at this point, you can click Launch, and you'll have your new site ready for you to add information you want people to see. These down here are options for the layout of the information on your site. I'm going to skip this right now. Instead, I'm going to click Next and choose a template for my site. Here you can browse several different styles and colors for your site. I'm going to choose this one. Templates can be changed at any time in your website Manage page, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So don't worry if you change your mind and want to choose a new template later on. For now, I'm going to click Launch to launch my website. And here is my new website. Now I have a new website that I can add my information to. I can add blog articles, pictures, video, whatever I want. For now, I want to give you a quick overview of the Manage page. This is where you manage your website. For example, if you want to make changes to some of the items you entered when you set up your Ning website, you can go here to update information. So you can see this is the information I entered when I signed up. If you do not enter in a description or a tagline, this is where you would go to update that information. I want to mention what keywords are for in case you are wondering. These help search engines like Google and Yahoo and other websites know what type of information your website has. So it's good to use these. If you make any changes, you click Save to update your site. My changes have been successfully saved. Let's go back to the Manage main page. In here, you can invite friends to your network. You can manage the members. You can broadcast messages. There are a number of tools here for managing your Ning website. One more thing I want to point out in the Manage page is the appearance of your site. Let's click on it. If you remember before, I said you can change your website theme or template at any time that you would like to. So here, if I didn't like my purple theme, I could select a new one and update my website. Just click Save here at the bottom. Now my website has a whole new look. Let me go to the main page to take a closer look. I'm happy with this theme, so I'm going to keep it. Let's go back to the Manage page. And let's go back to Appearances. You can change your theme as often as you like, even every day if you want to. It doesn't affect the content of your website. Now down here, these are options to customize your theme. So if you don't like certain colors of the text, of menus, of different elements, you can change them here with these different options. Now if I go to All Options, I can select a header or logo image for my website, like UFO Nation has right here. This is a header image. And on this website, this is also a header image. To update mine, I can upload one right here. But because I don't have one, I can't demonstrate that right now. But we will cover it in later videos that will explain in detail how to manage your website. I hope you have found this video helpful, and I thank you very much for watching.